and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: Meghalaya Chief Minister Konrad K. Sangma ushers Hito to extend the age for getting employment in the state government up to the age of 37. HSPDP unite with Garo Hill State Movement Committee to demand for separate state for Khasi Panar and Garo communities. Hito demands upgradation of Lasken CNRD block to civil subdivision. And Pangyang Festival of the Panar community comes to an end amidst COVID-19 restriction. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Konrad K. Sangma today told the members of Neutrap Integrated Territorial Organization that his government will not have any problem to extend the age for getting employment in the state government up to the age of 37. He told this when the members of Hito handed over the memorandum to him at the main secretariat in Shillong. Talking to the media, one of the leaders of Hito, Don Bokdakar, said in a memorandum submitted to the Chief Minister, the organization has demanded that the age for getting employment in the state government should be extended up to the age of 42 so that others can also get the opportunity of becoming a government employee.
Te nakalian junguru ulakong ba katkum ka jingdawa jingi dawa hadu sauku ari ki SCST te mo nakalian jungu uang ba hadu lai punyo kidang sungkin sungdang ayahap bat kebat katar uang ba kin sekran hal organik kapang bat kin dala yo ya ka konsen ka majority te un salak un pentrekam ya ka jingdawa jingi.
The members of Neutrap Integrated Territorial Organization today demanded that the state government should upgrade the Lasken CNRD block to the status of civil subdivision and also for creation of Namdong CNRD. Speaking to the media after the meeting, the Meghalaya Chief Minister Konrad K. Sangma, Hito members said upgrading administrative units and establishment of CNRD block will enable the villagers living along the border to live peacefully besides improving their economic status.
Lasken block kedai gawai ni blok keberim tamah pok distrik jongi. Kumta ni kalian jongi ni pengkema biang Chief Minister. Bala dalong kumno kedai ru ban ai ban penyo ya ke civil subdivision kapok Lasken CNRD block. Tas kawai ru ni pengkema yo Chief Minister ba hagisnem arjar khat ar ni khat lai kadon proposal negaliang ke government ru ban grid no segawai ke CNRD block ha ke that Lasken kum ke division ya ke that Lasken block ha ke chnong Namdong namar kum bagalong ke ni ke that Lasken block tolong ke wai nagi block ke bayar kidon kinong chnong kidon kisnong ang to hadu si lengan ladangam bakla kidon kum ba sispa la feutli kisnong plus kidang don kisnong bat ke dai ru ke wai ke jeka ke ba yejan bakini ki ke blok bon ini ki thain border jungi kumta ne kaliang jungi idon kam namar ke population ru kini ke Lasken block ke don ba kat kum ke census nung snem arja khatwai ki don hadu silak la few plus ki biru ke ba chong to Lasken block kumta ngi ken tu UCM namar ne kaliang sarkar tu disnem ni kema bi la dep one bat inspection ni ke jeka dong Shillong bat ne kaliang ke chnong Namdong ru kaldep ai ke jeka babiang ban grid no ye ke block hapo Namdong.
The Hill State People's Democratic Party, together with Garo Hill State Movement Committee, is making joint effort to revive their demand for creation of separate states for the Khasi Jantia and Garo communities of Meghalaya. In this connection, the members of HSPDP met the members of the committee recently in Garo Hills and unanimously decided to join fight for separate states for these two tribal communities. Speaking to the media, the HSPDP President KP Pangyang informed that in the 70s, the two communities fought for the creation of the new state and eventually got the state of Meghalaya. Pangyang said their demand for creation of new states is logical on the ground that all the new states in the country were created on the basis of language and culture of the community. It is appropriate that the two communities should also have their own state, Pangyang added.
NCP ne ka GNC ne ka UDP mo ne pinla ke way ke solution bagi table apo ka Joint Hills Council but sorry ya ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council tangga way pilapa ya ka resolution unanimously kena pass and all ba yes we don't come ya ka Garo la Garuda. Te nakata katao. Ngiru hoi menhagani kalau wanra sisin ka resolution jong Clifford Marat former MLA mo ya resolution hoi asa reject ko kasi. Te reng shia tu yepi hagati su tu jongi ki atli ki ne ki body ki ba tu ya gani ki issue am. Ida su tu shai ba hapo garami se ko wei. Ki sa shim ya gani ka issue kumbalong manis kama ka political issue, political interest. Making shim hi ba ka issue jo ka chai.
The Bedin Clum Festival of the Panar community, organized by Senra Jowai to drive away the plague and other evils from the society, came to an end with the emergence of rods, including the sacred locks, the Simbot Knong and Knong Blai. Unlike in the previous years, only 40 persons from each of the localities were allowed to take part in this religious festival due to COVID-19 pandemic. This year's Bedin Clum is more significant as the country will celebrate the 175th year of independence and Meghalaya to celebrate the golden jubilee of its full statehood. The festival began early in the morning yesterday with soaring of Den Clum known as Kintin Knong, participated by Lumpurdi Yongpia at the premises of the priest Olingdo. This was followed by another rite and ritual called Kachotandai, where the roof of the houses were being beaten by the Den Clum to drive away the plague and other evils from the society. The climax of the festival was held in the afternoon at Atnar Pool, where the Simbot Knong was brought for immersion in this pool. When the sacred log was brought, everyone would try to cling to it to have the first touch for the attainment of good health. This was followed by immersion of Knong Blai at the pool. The Chief Justice of the Meghalaya High Court, Biswanath Someder, was the chief guest on the occasion. The other dignitaries included the Deputy Commissioner of West Janta Hills and high police officials. The festival came to an end with a football-like game called Kadat Lawakor. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.